Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to move taskbar in Windows 11. Now Windows 11 does not allow you to move your taskbar to the left, to the right or at the top of your screen. In order to do this, we've downloaded Windhawk and we have it right here. You can go over to your web browser and search for Windhawk and download it yourself. After downloading and installing it, you will have your Windhawk home like this, and then you can scroll down and click Browse for Modes or Explore Other Modes. We're going to click on Explore Other Modes, and here we're going to type in Taskbar. Now this will provide us with the different modes which we can search through for what we want. For example, if we scroll down here, we can see vertical taskbar for Windows 11. We can also see taskbar on the top for Windows 11. So for this tutorial, we will be choosing vertical taskbar for Windows 11 and click on the details. And when we scroll down, we can see how it's supposed to look like. And then if you like this, you can go over to click on install. As usual, downloading modes with Windhawk, Windows would respond by giving you this security notification about malicious modes that can damage your computer. But we're okay with this because we want to have our taskbar on our left, so we're going to click on accept risk and install. Going to wait for it to install after a few moments. And now, as you can see, we now have our taskbar on the left side vertically arranged on our screen. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.